What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. This is Davy Jr. here.
Yeah, and right here, this is Davy Jr., guys. So it's so special today because it is kind of celebration in my village. So we're preparing some. What are we preparing?
We are preparing some cabbage and some fish.
Yeah, guys, today is kind of celebration because my family just decided just to throw a party because tomorrow I'll be on the road, guys. So it's just humbling, it's just amazing. So let us show you how we prepare the kales and everything, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Chill to the end. Kindly give it a like because that's the best way to support me. And also, guys, it is super special because I'm rolling with my new camera, GoPro Hero 7. So let me get in the comment section below if you enjoy these images. Are they clear? So let me get in the comment section below. So right here, guys, Grace, she's chopping.
These are spring onions and we have some tomatoes. Now we are going to fry the tomatoes, and also we have a little bit of ginger here that we are going to use to cook the cabbage.
Wow, guys. I love that, how she described how we prepare them, you know. Yeah, guys, so super excited today. I'm leaving my village to a known place, guys. But for those who are smart, they know where I'm heading to, you know. I've been in a holiday here in my home, guys, you know, so it's time for me. Wow, those are the cocks right there. This is how typical village life looks like, guys, you know. I'm in my village, so this is what you should expect, some cocks, you know. And right here, guys, this is where we put in utensils to dry up, you know. Typical village life in an African village, guys. So we're preparing, hey, Grace, almost. So this is oil right here, guys. We're preparing the cabbages. So let us show you how we prepare them in a local way.
First, we grate some ginger paste.
Wow.
Some ginger.
So that's ginger right there, you know. Oh, wow. And then
we put the tomatoes and
the tomatoes right there, guys. Oh, like that?
Yeah.
Wow.
You may wonder why the spring onions are too much, because they are the leaves. The leaves, so you can put as much as you want.
Wow, guys. I know people may be wondering, Davy, did you relocate your kitchen? So these days, guys, we prepare food from this area right here, guys, because previously we used to prepare food from here, but as you can see, everything has changed, guys. So we decided this house wanna act as a store, you know, as a store where we can store our maize or corn and everything, guys. It is a good house, and also maybe even a visitor can stay here. So we decided we should not maybe spoil this kitchen with smoke, guys. Actually, here in the village we use smoke to prepare food. So let me take you here, guys, you know. Wow. Hey, Grace, you enjoy cooking?
I love cooking.
It is your passion.
It is my passion because even from at home I usually cook. Even they know I like cooking.
Wow,
Yeah.
Wife material. So if you have a crush on Grace, hit me up. Yeah, guys, so super excited today, you know. And these are our chickens right here. This is how life is, guys, here in the village. Life here is so chill and amazing. So yeah. And also our chickens are friendly, you can tell. And also, guys, this is aloe vera right here. This is aloe vera that we use like medicine so that our chickens may not end up dying, you know. So this is where they drink water from, and we also mix the aloe vera to protect them against diseases, guys. Yeah, super excited today, you know. Leaving my home. Though I'll be back, guys, not soon. You know, I have to go out there just to chase my dreams, guys, you know. I have to go there because nothing comes on a silver plates, guys. So you have to go out there just work so hard. This is how everything looks like here in my home, guys. We're super blessed, as I always say, you know. This is how our compound looks like. Typical village life, typical village life. So let me show you how we prepare the cabbages right there. Yeah. Wow. So what next?
So you have to add some salt. This is the salt here.
A little bit, not too much salt, you know. Too much salt is dangerous. Yeah, wow.
And then we turn.
Wow. What next after that?
We have to put the cabbage because it doesn't need a lot of cooking. We are frying it.
Wow.
Yeah.
So that's how we do it in a local way, you guys. Yeah, wow. And also I should show people what is inside here. Wow. Guys, so that is fish inside here, you can tell. Already cooked, already prepared, you know, ready for eating. Today is kind of celebration, guys, you know. Yeah. Wow. Do you cover it? Do you cover the cooking pot?
No. When it gets ready, we just put we remove it.
Wow, it's kind of delicious and I love it. The color, it's super amazing. Though, guys, for me, I don't take cabbage, you know. I don't take cabbage. Like, this is what really happened to me when I was in high school. Like, we used to eat cabbages every day. So I decided, like, when I finish high school, I'll never take cabbage anymore. So for me, I don't take cabbage. Like, yeah, I decided to quit cabbage, guys. Yeah. Wow.
So you continue turning it until it is ready. Yeah.
Wow. Actually, it is almost. I love the fact that this cooking pot or the karai cooks fast, right?
Yeah.
Wow. That's Grace Carey Mission, our chef. Huh? Wow. I think, thank you guys. It's almost
ready now.
Oh, wow. Actually, it is almost.
Now we have to remove it. Yes, it's ready.
Wow. So our cabbage, guys, you can tell they are ready, you know, ready for eating, you know. Yeah. Wow, you wanna say, actually, guys, you can check Grace out on YouTube. She has a YouTube channel. I'll be leaving her link on my description box, so kindly check Grace Carey at
Grace Carey Mission on my YouTube channel.
Yeah, guys, on the road to 1K subscribers, you know, make it happen for Grace. Actually, yeah, so thank you so much. Yeah, guys, that's it. It was just a random video telling you that I'm leaving home, I'm leaving my village to an unknown place, guys. Yeah, I have to go, I have to leave my village because I have to chase my dreams, you know. I have to chase my dreams. So thank you so much. I want to say thank you all for the love and support, you know. Actually, it is my first day rolling my GoPro Hero camera. So let me get in the comment section below if the images, guys, are very clear, you know. Thank you all. Man, it's just humbling just to have a huge family on YouTube, just to support me, guys. You know what happened to me, but I moved on, you know. Thank you all. Yeah, guys, thank you so much. Thank you. And also, guys, if you don't follow me on Instagram, kindly follow me on Instagram, the same name as this YouTube channel, guys, Davy Jr., you know. This is how everything looks like here in a typical African village home, guys, you see. Yeah, this is how everything looks like here. Yeah, we're so blessed. Like, we always not take it for granted, guys. Full of nature, full of trees. Yeah, guys, you know, the media always puts it wrong, like Africa is super dry. No, that's not the reality, guys. This is how everything looks like here. Yeah, So thank you all. Thank you for the love and support. See you in my next video, guys, from unknown destination. Bye bye. Take care, my people. Yeah, bye bye.